In this video, we will compare Moomoo versus Wealthsimple. When comparing Moomoo and Wealthsimple, both platforms cater to investors, however they serve different purposes. Moomoo is a tech-driven trading platform, ideal for active traders and investors who want low-cost access to the US and international markets, real-time level 2 data and advanced charting tools, all wrapped in a sleek, fast interface. Backed with financial powerhouse Fu2 Holdings, Moomoo appeals to users who are comfortably managing their own portfolios, making frequent trades and analysing detailed technical indicators. It also offers commission-free stocks and ETF trading in many different markets, along with margin accounts for more advanced strategies. In contrast, Wealthsimple is designed for long-term, hands-off investors who prefer automation, simplicity and guidance. Based in Canada, it's one of the country's most trusted, robust advisors, offering fully managed portfolios, social responsible investing options, and tool for automatic rebalancing and tax loss harvesting. Ultimately, Moomoo is well suited for active or self-directed investors who want market control and low-cost trading tools, while Wealthsimple is ideal for passive investors looking for an easy and automated path to long-term growth. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.